Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online store without the hassle of inventory or shipping? Have you ever wished there was a platform that could connect you with thousands of trendy products from around the world? Introduction. Well, today, I'm going to introduce you to a game changer in the e-commerce world, Modalyst. It's a platform that simplifies the process of starting and running an online store by providing a vast collection of products, handling inventory, and even fulfilling orders. What is Modalyst? Modalyst is a dropshipping platform that connects you with a network of suppliers and manufacturers. Essentially, it's a middleman that takes care of the entire supply chain, from sourcing products to fulfilling orders. When a customer places an order on your store, Modalyst sends it to the supplier, who then ships the product directly to the customer. How does it work? Create an account. The first step is to sign up for a Modalyst account. It's a simple process that requires you to provide basic information about your business. Browse products. Once you're logged in, you can explore the vast collection of products available on the platform. Modalyst categorizes products into different niches, making it easy to find what you're looking for. Add products to your store. When you find a product you like, you can add it to your store with just a few clicks. Modalyst provides high-quality product images and descriptions, saving you time and effort. Customize your store. Modalyst offers a variety of customization options to help you create a unique online store. You can choose a theme, customize the layout, and add your branding elements. Manage orders. When a customer places an order on your store, Modalyst automatically sends it to the supplier. You can track the order status and communicate with your customers through Modalyst's built-in messaging system. Benefits of using Modalyst. No inventory. With Modalyst, you don't have to worry about stocking inventory or managing a warehouse. No shipping. Modalyst handles all shipping and fulfillment, so you can focus on marketing and growing your business. Wide product selection. Modalyst offers a vast collection of products, from fashion and accessories to home goods and electronics. Easy to use. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, even for those with no experience in e-commerce. Scalability. Modalyst can scale with your business, allowing you to add more products and increase your sales as your store grows. Pricing. Modalyst offers a variety of pricing plans to suit different business needs. There's a free plan that allows you to list up to 25 products, as well as paid plans with additional features and benefits. Modalyst is a powerful tool for anyone looking to start or grow an online store. By simplifying the supply chain and providing a vast selection of products, Modalyst makes it easier than ever to sell products online. With Modalyst, you can focus on what you do best: marketing, customer service, and building your brand. So, if you're ready to take your online business to the next level, give Modalyst a try. Learn more about Modalyst and start your own online store. Visit Modalyst website link. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.